was a sight from my soul.
Good morning guys, it's my last day in London, so I thought I would do a what I ate today video because so far the food has been really good. We have a little bit of a tradition. First thing in the morning we go to Pret. There's so many good breakfast options and I'll put some on the screen here, but honestly by the time we get ready to go in the morning I'm so hungry, so I just want to eat something that I know is vegan, that I know is fresh, that I know is good, so we usually go there and today is no exception. So like I said, there's lots of great places to have a vegan breakfast in London and I will link them down below, but we really loved going to Pret just because when you're traveling you're eating out breakfast, lunch, and dinner usually, and it's nice to kind of have a little bit of a less expensive option that's still healthy and fresh. So we're going to be packing and having breakfast and watching British television shows. I've been loving watching the cooking shows here, they're so entertaining, and yeah, we're just going to have a cozy little morning before heading out. After I had this on the first day, I was 100% sure I was going to recreate it at home. We've had it literally every single day. It's a blend here, right here, is mango, banana, a little bit of turmeric, and a splash of coconut milk. And then it has a really delicious vegan granola with some coconut chips and blueberries on top. It's so delicious and really good. So I'm going to try to recreate this recipe, get it perfect for you guys, and then put it on my YouTube channel so you guys can make it at home because it's the bomb. So we each got a mango coconut bowl. I also got a porridge that was cooked with flax seeds and coconut milk. We each got coffees, of course, and then a green juice, which is a really good way to sneak in some extra vitamins when you're traveling.
There goes a sight from my soul.
We're on our way to Deliciously Ella's Deli. It's the second time we've been there.
Second time. There are many restaurants in London.
But I just love it. I love her. And so we're gonna go meet up with my friend Katie. You guys, I fangirled so hard here. My mom and my friend literally thought I was insane, but I've been following Deliciously Ella for years and years. She's a huge inspiration to me. So actually getting to go to her deli, which I've watched on Instagram from afar, was really cool. They have lots of fresh vegetables and you can kind of pick some sides. They also have her energy balls there and you can pick some desserts. It was delicious. I got a mix of veggies. My mom got some dal. Katie got a mix of the salads, and the hummus was maybe my favorite part. So I'm definitely going to link that recipe in the description box. I also got a turmeric latte just because I wanted to try it. It was really good. It didn't have any caffeine, but it was really cozy. Lunch was delicious. Did you like it? Oh! Vlogging is a very dangerous pastime. I don't know if you guys know the sacrifice I make. Okay, we're walking up to Oxford Street, so I have to pay attention so I don't die. But basically the update is it was delicious. I recommend it. If you guys are in London, go there.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Katie taught me about flat whites. What is it? How do you explain it? Cream. Latte. I like it. For a snack, I grabbed one of these Deliciously Ella energy balls. This one is in the cashew ginger flavor and it's really good. It's actually a bit spicy, so keep that in mind if you don't like ginger, but they have other flavors too that are really good. And she actually has recipes for these on her YouTube channel, so you can make the exact one at home, so I will link that in the description box below because they were all really good and the perfect little portable snack while we were traveling. You guys, I found Deliciously Ella's granola, and even though I have no room in my suitcase, like this is the souvenir I want. I'm making out like a bandit right now. The happiest person that's ever been in this grocery store. I'm such a nerd. We are checking out of the hotel room and my mom's like, oh, you forgot your sock. And I was like, no, this is yours, I just wore it yesterday. And she's like, that's not my sock. So we're walking to buy Chloe for dinner. We have one of these in LA, but my mom's never been, so I'm gonna take her there. And then we're meeting up with some of my friends, Catherine and Tom, for a drink. I don't know where, but I'm sure you'll see. I'm so out of breath. My mom's like walking like 1,000 miles ahead of me. She's excited about her.
was aside from my soul.
So By Chloe is basically like vegan fast food. They have burgers and fries and meatball subs and taco salad and cupcakes and cookies. So it's really decadent and really fun for every once in a while. My mom and I both got the exact same thing. We got the guacamole burger, and then I got sweet potato fries. She got regular fries, and then we had lots of the beet ketchup, which is signature to By Chloe, and also their chipotle aioli. So good with the fries. So we're home. Dinner was really good and drinks was fun. I had 2 glasses of Prosecco while we were hanging out, but I couldn't film in there, so you'll just have to use your imagination. But now we're all ready for bed. We're watching this really cute show that we've watched pretty much every night that we've been here. I think it's called First Dates, and it's basically where people go on blind dates and we watch, and it's amazing. It's usually really awkward, but then it ends really cute, so yeah. We're doing that, and I'm having a little chocolate treat. These are Bouja Bouja chocolates. They're dairy-free, organic, and gluten-free. They say vegan on the back, which is really cool. And this is the hazelnut cacao flavor. I've wanted to try these ever since I saw them in one of Naomi Smart's video. So I'm gonna have some of these and watch TV and call it a night. Tomorrow we're going to Norway, so that's gonna be really fun. I hope you guys are watching on Instagram, and I will see you then. Good night.